In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice input in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Enabling voice functionality in ChatGPT can transform how you interact with the AI, making conversations quicker and more hands-free, which is perfect for multitasking. To get started, you'll want to open your ChatGPT interface. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This section acts as your central hub for account preferences. It's where most of the app-level controls are located. Now, if your window is quite small, or you're navigating a compact layout, it might be necessary to expand the sidebar a bit to clearly see the icon. And just in case the icon isn't visible, make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Sometimes, refreshing the browser tab can help load the most recent updates as well. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll find a menu that appears. From this menu, look for the option that says Personalization. This is vital because it's designed to customize how ChatGPT behaves and presents information, ensuring that your experience is tailored just for you. When you enter the personalization section, scroll down until you find the area labeled Advanced. Go ahead and click on that to access more technical settings. The advanced settings often contain features that are either more specialized or newly released, so don't be surprised if you stumble upon options here that you haven't explored yet. Now here's where the fun begins. Inside the advanced settings, keep an eye out for the option that's labeled ChatGPT Voice. When you locate it, simply toggle the switch to the On position. This single adjustment activates the voice functionality. If your device prompts you for microphone permission, it's important to grant that request. After all, ChatGPT needs to hear you clearly in order to respond effectively. Once you've enabled the voice feature, you can start interacting with ChatGPT using just your voice. Make sure to speak naturally and comfortably. Don't worry about pausing when you need to gather your thoughts. Plus, mixing voice input with traditional typing is totally acceptable, so use whichever method you feel most comfortable with. If you happen to be in a noisy environment, consider using a headset or relocating to a quieter area to enhance voice recognition. Clear audio can significantly improve the interaction quality. Now, I'd like to share a couple of quick tips with you. If you don't see the ChatGPT voice option right away, ensure that your app or browser is fully updated. Sometimes, signing out and back in can also refresh the interface, especially if something looks outdated. Remember, features may roll out gradually, so it could depend on your region or account type. If the voice functionality appears to be enabled but you experience delays in responses, it's always a good idea to check your internet connection. Also, verify that your device's microphone is correctly selected in your system's audio settings. And that's all for today. Activating the voice feature is a simple way to make your interactions with ChatGPT more dynamic, engaging, and accessible. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy chatting!